All right. Step 4 of listening to yourself is, can I do something about this? So we just spent the first 3 videos, go back, is noticing what's important. What do you want? What do you want to feel? What do you want to have? And then being very non-judgmental, and then being curious. Step 4 is now, is there something I can do about this? Do I have a course I could take? Do I have a product I could use? Do I have a plan I could follow? Do I have someone I could reach out and talk to? You want to evaluate, is this something that I can contribute to an action step to? Now, this is important, just to evaluate. Is this something I can do? Is this something I want to do? Is this something I have capacity for? So a lot of times we just assume stepping into action is the answer to procrastination. I've heard that all the time. But then that can lead to really intense burnout and intense and emotional suppression. So I love the conversation of, do I have capacity for this meal plan right now? And sometimes we don't know till we try. I have that personality where I'm very kinesthetic, and I don't know if I can do something until I give it a shot. So I'm very good at trying things, and sometimes experiments fail. And I don't know until I get in there. But sometimes you have so much anxiety where that not knowing paralyzes you. And so stepping into it not being perfect is the language that you want to use, that sometimes things don't go according to plan, and there's not a perfect plan, there's not a perfect diet, and you will experience discomfort. And you're going to want to, before you do all that, evaluating, can I do this right now? Do I have support? Is this the next best thing at the next best time? And sometimes you need an advisor for that. Sometimes you need a consult from a professional that helps you untangle it, that helps you figure it out. And that's what I do. And so it's a little bit shameless plug, is I just kind of help, is this the next best thing for you? And then I'm really skilled, and I have a lot of training and experience in building those things and knowing the science behind food and health, but really good helping you figure out, is this the next best thing for you to optimize your health? So step 4 is kind of evaluating, is an actionable step, what is that? And is this the right time? Stay tuned for part 5.